Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a complete home theater audio package from Yamaha. This bundle includes a 3D-ready 5.1 channel digital home theater audio-video receiver, a set of 6 all-weather speakers, and the necessary speaker wire to get you started. The heart of this system is the Yamaha receiver. It delivers 500 watts of power across its 5.1 channels, designed to provide immersive surround sound for movies, games, and music. It's 3D ready, which is a nice touch for compatible video sources. Connectivity is handled through a single HDMI port, which is standard for connecting your main video source like a Blu-ray player or streaming device. A key feature highlighted is the USB digital input. This isn't just for playing audio files. It also includes a connecting cable specifically designed to play and charge your iPod or iPhone, and even control it remotely through the receiver. This adds a lot of convenience for accessing your personal music library. The receiver also includes a bass boost feature, allowing you to enhance the low-end frequencies for a more impactful sound experience. It supports surround audio output modes, as you'd expect from a 5.1 system. Moving on to the speakers, you get a set of 6 Yamaha natural sound speakers. These are two-way acoustic suspension speakers, rated at 120 watts each. A significant advantage of these speakers is their all-weather design, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor installations. They come in white and are wall-mountable, offering flexibility in placement whether you're setting up a traditional living room surround sound or adding audio to a patio or deck area. The acoustic suspension design typically aims for accurate and controlled bass response. Having 6 speakers in a 5.1 system means you have the standard 5 channels, front left, center, front right, surround right, plus an extra speaker, perhaps for a second zone or as a spare, though the receiver is 5.1 channel. The bundle also thoughtfully includes 100 feet of 16 AWG speaker wire, which is a decent gauge for most home installations and provides enough length for typical room setups or even some outdoor runs. Overall, this Yamaha package presents itself as a comprehensive solution for someone looking to set up a home theater or multi-purpose audio system. It combines a capable receiver with convenient digital connectivity and iPod/iPhone support, along with versatile, durable speakers that can handle various environments. The inclusion of speaker wire means you have most of what you need right out of the box to get sound flowing. It's a system built for delivering surround sound with the added benefit of flexible speaker placement options.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.